So are you tired of all of these sophisticated, complicated methods to make Clickbank sales online? Well, if that's the case, you're in luck today, because I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make Clickbank sales, but the easy way, right? So my name is John from johnmcneil.com, and if this is the first time to my channel, I do teach you all about making money online with affiliate marketing. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you want to make sure you do that by clicking the little John McNeil icon in the right hand side of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified when I release a new video. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this video: how to make Clickbank sales the easy way. And we're starting right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com, and I'm already here in Clickbank, and I've already searched the marketplace for a product that I want to give you an example of what you could promote and make some money with. So right now, I've actually went into the travel category, or the travel niche, and this is typically not a category that I would typically promote a product in, but for the purpose of this video and the method that we're going to be using, it's best to use niches that aren't, I guess I would say, very affiliate friendly, so that you could actually really profit from this method I'm going to show you. So you guys will understand what I mean here in a second. So what I've done is I've actually kind of looked at a couple of these products, and I picked out one that seems that'll be pretty high converting. And this product, it says get free flights with travel hacking. High converting unique offer. So I clicked on it, and this product comes up. It says the hidden airline loophole that lets you book $1,000 flights for $20 or less. And then in about 5 seconds, the video actually starts, and it looked like a pretty decent video. So this again is a product on how to get expensive flights for $20. So what I did next was I went over to YouTube, and I was, trying to search if there were people making videos about like getting free flights or getting cheap flights. So I typed in how to get a free airline ticket. So here you can see there's a lot of results for that type of keyword. So there is a lot of people that are making content around like getting free flights or getting free tickets. So what you want to do is you want to basically find people that are making videos around this topic but aren't monetizing the topic. So let's go ahead and just look at this first video. It says the secret way we scored 21 free flights across America. So if I click on this video, what I want to look for is if this guy is monetizing his channel. So as I check on his description, it looks like he's linking to another YouTube channel here. He does have a newsletter here, but it's not hyperlinked. This is just kind of like a support me channel, like we take donations. And then this looks like where he's using his music from. So he's giving credits for the music. So it doesn't really look like he's monetizing this channel. But check this out, guys. This particular video has gotten 684,000 views in 7 months, right? So basically it's getting a ton of traffic. So what you would want to do is you would basically want to go to this person's main channel and go to like their about me page here, and you'll want to contact. So it says business inquiries here. So you could actually take this email address and email this person and ask them if you could actually put a link in the description of their video, right? Because what you want to do is, if he's not really monetizing it, you're going to want to go ahead and put your Clickbank product on how to get free flights with travel hacking in the description of his YouTube video, because obviously it's getting a massive amount of traffic, and it doesn't really look like he's heavily monetizing it or monetizing it at all. He may just be using it for Google AdSense. So that's one way that you can do it. So basically going back here, you could kind of just go down the line and look at some of these other videos and just kind of see, okay, what are the videos that are getting a lot of traffic? You could click on here, how to get a free flight ticket. You know, maybe they're trying to monetize here. I'm not sure or not. They got a lot of links in here, so they may be trying to monetize or do something. And even if people are trying to monetize, guys, you can also just ask them. You know, what I would really do is I would come up with an email template. And in that email template, I would just basically say, you know, hi, my name is John. I am a internet marketer that's promoting, for XYZ vendor, or I'm promoting this product, and I would like to know if I could place my link in your description for a week or for 30 days, or just place my link in your description for XYZ dollars. Now, depending on the amount of views they get or their popularity, you know, it may cost you more money, but I would just say, you know, start off very low and just say, hey, you know, can I, pay you $50 to put my link in your description for 2 weeks? Or, let me pay you $100 to get my link in your description for a month. And if you can get one of these videos that are getting crazy amounts of views and they're not monetizing, you can actually get a ton of traffic, because the videos are already getting a lot of traffic. You know, if you're clicking on here, you're seeing the traffic that it's getting. And if they're not monetizing, you could just say, some of these people that make content, they have no idea of what affiliate marketing is. And if you're saying, hey, I'll pay you $100, just throw my website link in here, and they're like, cool, I'll take that $100. And, you could be making a ton of money, because that the traffic they're getting thousands or even hundreds of thousands of views. That people are clicking on a description and they're going to click on your Clickbank product, and then a percentage of those people are going to purchase the product, right? So you can pretty much do this in any niche you want. I would just caution you to try to stay away from like the make money online niche, because everybody there is trying to monetize. And even like the health niches, they're probably trying to monetize. Sometimes you can try to find maybe like a person that's not really monetizing in like the weight loss niche or something like that. Sometimes you could find it, like most of these people here, they're going to be monetizing. But what you could do is you could filter. Maybe you could say you want to look at videos, popular videos within the last week, and then you want to hit filter again, and then you type in view count. So that may kind of whittle down some of the people that are like mega video makers, and maybe get some of the like new people that are starting out. But again, so you're looking at like 385 views in 5 days. A lot of these people are probably going to be monetizing on these videos, but it still can't hurt to, take a look, see if they're monetizing or not, and just send them a quick note through their YouTube channel, through their email, and just say, hey, would you mind if I put a link in your description for XYZ dollars? You could even put, a time frame if you wanted to. If not, you don't have to, and just kind of see what they say. And of course, you're not going to get everybody to say yes, but the thing what you need to learn is, you just keep sending messages. And even if you could get 1 or 2 people to agree to it for like a month, I mean, you're talking super targeted traffic to your affiliate links, guys. And again, you could also send them to a squeeze page first to build your list. But the idea is, these folks already have the targeted traffic that you want. they have the people that you're looking for. You need to get in front of that traffic and get your link into their description. So it's going to take some work to go through videos and find people that aren't heavily monetizing, or even find people to agree to do that. But again, all you need is a couple people, and you will definitely be able to reap the rewards of that. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below if you think this strategy is valuable to you, or you think this strategy would be something that you would want to try out. Leave a comment below if you hate this strategy, if you think it's a waste of time. You know, either way, it's all good. If you do want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I do have a free guide that you can get at johnmcneil.com. I will have a link in the description for that free guide, so you can go ahead and learn how to start making you know, money with affiliate marketing from scratch. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. We're going to see you in the next video, guys. Peace.